Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about these three access modifiers: public, protected, private. What are the differences? Let's check them together. So, as you can see, these methods are public. It means it is usable in any other classes. For example, here in the class program, I used it because I define it here as public. So for example, let's create a variable public int num1 equal 5, for example. Okay, here in the animal class, we defined a variable called num1. So in the class other classes, you can also access num1, and also in the main class, we can have num1. What if I define it as protected? Yeah, that will cause program in the main class. You see, in the main class, in the program class, that we have method main here, we can't access num1 because it is protected here. Protected means that it is accessible in the same class and in its subclasses, like dog, like bulldog. So in the bulldog, I can have num1. Still, you see, I have num1 in the dog class. And also I have num1 in the bulldog class, which is a subclass of dog, and dog is a subclass of animal. And we defined protected here. But here in the program class, we can't access num1. And also the third access modifier, which is private. If I define something private, it is only accessible in that special class, not even its subclasses. Num2 equals 6. Okay, here in the animal, I don't have num2, as you can see. Even in the class program. So it is only accessible within the same class that it was. So when you define something private, it won't inherit it. The other subclasses won't inherit that variable or that method. So if I define it here private, then I will have error with the it here, because it is private only to animals.